If you want to know how to merge datasets using Python code, you came to the right place. In scientific research, we often work with multiple datasets that need to be merged and manipulated for analysis. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use pandas to combine datasets, filter data, and perform essential statistical calculations. Let's get started. Scientific datasets often come from different sources, experiments, simulations, or databases. Merging and cleaning data is essential for ensuring accurate analysis. Pandas make it easy to integrate and process multiple datasets efficiently. Let's load our datasets and start merging. The first thing you need to do is copy the path of the specific files you want to merge the data and paste it on the Jupyter notebook. Don't forget to put the R in front of the data path. Now let's inspect our datasets to see how our data looks like. As you can see, in the first dataset, the experiments one, you can see that there's a column, experiment ID. Now let's see how the second dataset, the data one, looks like. Let's also use the head function. As you can see, both datasets have the experiment ID that can be used to merge the datasets. Now let's actually merge them using the experiment ID column. Now let's use the actual merge function to our datasets and use the experiment ID as the column to be merged. And let's inspect the merged datasets. As you can see, now all data is merged in just one dataset. Beyond simple merging and filtering, Pandas allows more complex operations for in-depth data processing. Let's explore a few more. Now let's say we only want the experiments conducted after 1st of January 2023. For that, we convert our merge.df to a datetime format in a date, and we only want the ones after 1st of January 2023. And now we filter our data. There you go. You only have experiments after 1st of January 2020. Now let's say we want to group the data by researcher column. What we do is group the measurements by mean by researcher. Now let's inspect the data again. Now we can also add the normalized measurement column and perform the actual normalized measurements. With this formula, this is pretty easy. Now we can inspect the normalized measurement column. There you go. Lastly, we can save this merged dataset with a filter and normalized data into a new one. This can be done with this simple Python code. As an extra, I'll now show you how you can handle duplicate rows if you need it. Just paste this code, and there you go. There will be no duplicates. You can also handle outliers pretty easily. You just calculate the Q1 and Q3, determine the interquartile range, and then filter all the values that are outside or below that interquartile range. You can also convert your merged dataset into a pivot table that displays only the measurements, the researchers. And that's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to merge and manipulate datasets. for scientific research using pandas. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and share your data processing challenges in the comments. See you in the next video.